Hello, my name's Xylophony and welcome to ARK Survival Solved. That's right, I believe I have solved the entire game. This theory is quite extensive, but if you listen the whole way through, I think you're gonna agree with me that this could very well be the story of ARK Survival Evolved. Ever since this game came out, there's been a lot of discussion on what the story is of the island. What's the lore? What's the background? But today, I think I've unlocked and answered many of those questions. Hopefully you'll agree, but let's get right into the facts. The first clue we have is the implant. When a player first loads into a game, they're surprised to see a specimen implant lodged into their left wrist. This tells them things such as their name, their gender, species information, and attributes, things like that. The question is, why is this necessary? Straight from the beginning, I thought this may imply that the character is undergoing a scientific experiment and this implant will relay information to some sort of other source. Now what that other source is, we may not know, but for sake of this video, I'm going to call them the ARK Corporation. Let's say this corporation is experimenting on human beings. The questions we have are, what are they looking for and why? Seeing as the island is an incredibly dangerous place with sparse resources, I would assume they are looking at some sort of survival aspect of the human race. My second clue to why this is a science experiment is the water. When you look around the island, every kind of water you can find is fresh water. There is no form of salt water anywhere. Even along the coast, you can drink that water. So therefore, I think this is some sort of controlled environment. Whether it's some sort of giant test tube or an enclosed area, I don't think this is a natural environment found on Earth. Also, just looking at the creatures on the island, these creatures in history have never coexisted at the same time. They range from the Jurassic period all the way through past the Ice Age and beyond. Every dinosaur here must have been used as a test, seeing how they would survive, with each other, and against the human race. This also brings us to our third bit of evidence, the dino dossiers. Now these tell us a lot of information about the dinosaurs. Thing is, the information doesn't exactly line up with dinosaurs from the past on Earth. Each dossier lists a species that has never before existed. Take the Titanomirma for example. Yes, the Titanomirma has existed, but the Parvagigan has never been a subspecies of them. Therefore, I believe the ARK Corporation is genetically designing these to be bigger, more powerful, and more deadly. This ant has never in history been over 4 inches, yet on this island it can get to the size of a dog. Genetic mutation has been brought up in many games in the past, and even the recent Jurassic World movie. They have taken incredible animals and made them evolve past a point they have ever seen before. The question is, why would they take an island of giant dangerous dinosaurs and make them even more terrifying than ever? My theory is that they're testing evolution, and more importantly, trying to create the next stage of human evolution. The game is called ARK Survival Evolved after all, right? Putting humans into this kind of environment forces them to adapt. If they're to survive, they must change, and that is what this company is trying to do. Not only are they trying to witness the next stage of human evolution, I believe they're trying to replicate it. Evolution takes thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of years to occur. With genetic replication, this could allow humans to evolve past a point they were ever able to before. Now, will this be used for good? Will it be used for evil? Or is it just the dream of some mad scientist? I don't know, maybe I'm even wrong about everything I just said, but let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll be sure to do more theory videos going over the specific points of this video and other theories that are brought up to me. I probably just revealed a ton of new questions about the game. Maybe what I said was true, or maybe it was all just a dream the whole time.